Jenny here again one more time. I just realised as I put the lid on that we should talk about eggshells because there was one lying in here. I don't know about you, but I eat quite a lot of eggs. And I throw them all in here, no problem at all. Eggs are great in bokashi. But what you'll find is that they do take much, much longer to break down into soil than the other things in the bucket. So if you're digging around in a part of the garden where you've dug down a bokashi bucket and you're trying to think, actually, was it here? Because you can't find anything. You think maybe, you're just losing it. And then you find a chicken bone and you think, oh yeah, it was here actually. And then you find a little bit of an eggshell and then you go, oh, right, it really was here. Eggshells take really time. But the best thing you can do with them is actually just crush them a little bit when you put them in. I'm a bit lazy, so I typically don't, which is why I found this the way it was. And put it in, and then that means that it will break down a little bit faster. The other thing you can do is not put them in the bokashi bucket at all, but crush them and dry them and use them in your garden around those plants that need a little bit extra calcium. But that's just an optional extra. When it comes to bokashi, don't worry about it. There's no rules and regulations. It's just take the egg, throw it in, and it probably will get crushed by the weight of the other food in here. So just keep it really simple. Life has to be a little bit simple. So eggshells, no problem.